Welcome back. Goans celebrated Valentine's with coconut trees in South Goa. Young and elders marched together in the Chipko movement to protect against the new law removing coconut from the list of trees under the Preservation of Trees and Forest Act. Environmentalists have demanded government to revert back the decision on coconut trees.
We want to send a strong message to the government that they have to rescind this amendment as soon as possible, which is in the interest of the builders and not in the interest of farmers or not in the interest of Goa.
The entire generations in the future will remember you through history that you have destroyed Goa. So get your act together. Understand that Goa belongs to the people of today and the future generations and not to you, the 40 MLAs who have been elected.
The BJP is destroying themselves. In next we got 3 or 4 months, or 6 months, 1 year, they are going to lose the election. LOSC, lose the election. Are they going to lose the election?
Yes! Coconut tree is our life. We are here because of coconut tree. Coconut tree can save us. Coconut tree can provide everything what we required. We want to protect this tree. These are the tree. This is not a plant. This is not a grass.
की शेतकाराचे आयकून अमेंडमेंट केला म्हणतात पण हांगा आतां हे माठ सगळे कट जातले शिवोले 150 माठ कट केला पर्रा 70 माठ कट केले ताची जाप कोण दितलो
From a little child to an old woman, everybody consider the coconut tree as a tree and not as a grass. So you cannot come all of a sudden and say no, it's a grass, it's not a tree, because I think that's actually quite silly, because it isn't your opinion alone, it's everybody's opinion.
And the concept today is Coconut Valentine. And out of our love for the tree, which you can see across the world, communities across the world have got together to fight for this.
Mechanized agriculture can yield good crop and income. Government has plans to introduce mechanized farming. Youth should come forward to grab the opportunity. Agriculture Minister Ramesh Tawwadkar said at the state-level conference on value addition in agriculture for better marketing. Union Minister of State Agriculture Mohanbai Kundaria has also assured to take up Goa's demands for funding of agricultural schemes for the benefit of local farmers and agriculturists.
मातयेक हात घालनासतना सुद्दां शेती जावपा येता ह्यो अशा तरेच्यो गोश्टी आयच्या तरुणां मदीं इंट्रोड्यूस करपाचे आसा मातयेक हात शेणाक हात घालनासतना सुद्दां डेरीचो वेवसाय करपाक येता ह्यो गोश्टी आमकां शेतकऱ्यां मदीं किंवा तरुणां मदीं जागी करपाचे आसा आनी म्हाका दिसता जी आमी जे स्वप्न जे पळयता ते आमी न्हिदून स्वप्न पळयनात आमी जागे आसतना स्वप्न पळयतात आनी म्हाका दिसता की येणाऱ्या काळा मदीं किमान 8-10 हजार एम्प्लॉयमेंट निर्माण करपाची क्षमता जी आसा ह्या कृषी क्षेत्रामध्ये आसा ही जबाबदारी आसा आमकां सगळ्यांक घेवपाची आसा केवळ हांवें एक हातान टाळी वाजना त्यामुळे हांगा मिनिस्टर उलयलो म्हणून जावचें ना म्हणून त्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान सरकार ज्यो गोश्टी दिवपाक जाय त्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी दिवपाक तयार आसा घेणारो किंवा ताचो उपयोग करणारो जो शेतकार आसा तो फुडें येवपाची आवश्यकता आसा.
State government has asked the union government for funding of agriculture schemes for the benefit of local farmers and agriculturists.
भारत सरकार और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के माध्यम से किसानों को मदद करने के लिए हम प्रयत्न कर रहे हैं. उसमें आप सब साथ में मिलके अच्छी तरीके से कैसे फसल हो सकता है, ऑर्गेनिक खेती कैसे हो सकता है और वैल्यू एडेड खेती कैसे हो सकता है, इसके आधार पर सब काम करेंगे.
Savio Dice for Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Take care and goodbye.